Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's been on our minds lately, the terrifying consequences of a massive asteroid impact. We often see these events portrayed in movies, but what would happen if it were to actually occur in real life? In this video, we'll explore the science behind asteroid impacts and the potential impact they could have on our planet. So sit tight and get ready for a wild ride. Understanding asteroid impacts. Before we dive into the consequences of a massive asteroid impact, let's take a moment to understand what asteroids are and how they can impact our planet. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the Sun, and they vary in size from a few meters to hundreds of kilometers across. While most asteroids are located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, some can stray off course and head towards Earth. When an asteroid collides with Earth, the impact can be catastrophic. The force of the impact can cause massive destruction, depending on the size and speed of the asteroid. The Chicxulub asteroid, which is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs, was estimated to be around 10 kilometers in diameter and traveling at a speed of 20 kilometers per second when it struck the Earth. The consequences of a massive asteroid impact. Now that we have a basic understanding of asteroid impacts, let's take a look at the consequences of a massive asteroid impact. First and foremost, the impact would cause a massive explosion that could be heard and felt for thousands of kilometers. The explosion would release an enormous amount of energy, which would result in a shock wave that would travel through the atmosphere and cause destruction on the ground. In addition to the initial explosion, the impact would also cause massive fires that could burn for days or even weeks. The impact would also kick up a huge amount of dust and debris, which would be thrown into the atmosphere and block out the sun. This would cause a global cooling effect, which would lower temperatures and reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth's surface. The consequences of a massive asteroid impact would be felt for years, if not decades, after the impact. The resulting dust and debris in the atmosphere would cause a significant reduction in global temperatures, which could result in a global famine as crops fail to grow. The impact would also cause tsunamis, earthquakes, and other natural disasters that would compound the damage caused by the initial impact. Preparing for a massive asteroid impact. While the consequences of a massive asteroid impact are terrifying, it's important to remember that there are steps we can take to prepare for such an event. The first step is to identify and track potentially hazardous asteroids. Scientists are constantly monitoring the skies for asteroids that could pose a threat to Earth, and early detection is key to mitigating the impact. In addition to tracking asteroids, we can also develop technology to deflect or destroy asteroids that pose a threat. NASA and other space agencies are currently developing technologies that could be used to deflect or destroy asteroids, such as kinetic impactors, gravity tractors, and nuclear explosions. In conclusion, the consequences of a massive asteroid impact are terrifying, but we can take steps to prepare for such an event. By monitoring the skies for potentially hazardous asteroids and developing technology to deflect or destroy them, we can reduce the likelihood and severity of a catastrophic impact. It's important to remember that while the threat of a massive asteroid impact is real, we have the power to mitigate its impact and protect our planet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.